Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and I will be your examiner for this part of the test, and this test will be recorded. May I know your full name, please?
Yes, definitely. My name is Gungun Batra.
How may I address you?
You may call me as Gungun.
Okay. Where do you come from, Gungun?
I live in Tohana from Haryana state. It is situated in the northern plains of India.
Okay. Are you working or a student?
I am a student. I recently passed out from senior secondary school from non-medical stream.
Okay. May I see your identification, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you so much. Okay. Now, few questions will be based on chocolates. Do you like eating chocolates? If yes, why? If not, why not?
Well, I love eating chocolates a lot because I'm a highly chocoholic type of person, and my favorite flavor of chocolate is Kit Kat.
So, may I know how often do you eat chocolates?
Well, I often eat chocolates twice or thrice a week because it might boost a person's energy and mood.
Okay. Did you often eat chocolate when you were a kid?
Yes, of course. When I was a kid, I often ate chocolates a lot. At that time, my favorite chocolate was Dairy Milk.
Why do you think chocolate is popular around the world?
Well, there are many reasons why the chocolate is popular around the world. It is because of the two reasons. Firstly, it is because of taste. Secondly, it secretes a certain chemicals which mildly boost a person's mood and energy.
Okay, fine. Okay, so before proceeding further to this interview, here I would like to inform you that at your IELTS partner, we are offering online classes for IELTS for all modules and for single module also, be this is writing, reading, speaking, listening. If you guys wish to enroll, then you can join our online classes. First of all, you can book a free demo class. The number is given in the pinned comment and in description. You can write us or you can make a call to us, and after taking demo, if you would like to join our classes, then you can. Thank you so much. Now, few questions will be based on flowers. Okay, do people in your country often give flowers to others?
To be honest, yes. Well, people in my country give flowers to others in the occasions like birthday, marriage ceremony, anniversary, or in the professions they usually give flowers to them like uh, retirement or promotions.
Do you know anyone who love flowers?
Yes, there are many people who love flowers a lot, but there is a member in my family who loves flower a lot. That's my mother. She has almost 100 pots of flowers in her home.
Okay. Are there a lot of flowers where you live around that area around you?
According to my perspective, well, there are not so many flowers in the place where I live because I live in the urban place. There are not so many gardens nearby my home, but my mother has almost 100 pots of flowers in her home.
Now, few questions will be based on chatting. Do you like chatting with friends?
Yes, definitely. I like chatting with my friends as friends are very close to me and I am very close to them. They act like my family members.
Okay, what do you usually chat about with your friends?
To be honest, I usually chat about with my friends regarding makeup or reading books because one of my friend is fond of reading books and another one is a makeup artist.
Okay, do you prefer to chat with a group of people or with only one friend?
Well, of course, I would prefer to chat with only one friend as I am a highly introvert type of person and I usually chat with her on Snapchat.
Do you prefer to communicate face to face or via social media?
Well, of course, I will prefer to communicate on social media. On Snapchat, I randomly pick anyone's request and through maintaining streak, one can become my best friend.
Okay, fine. Now this is end of the part 1. I am giving you a cue card and you have to prepare for 1 minute. If you wish to make notes, then you can use this paper and you can take the help of this. Moreover, you have to speak between 1 and 2 minutes. Yes, you may start speaking now.
I love listening to music a lot. In fact, I love listening to music while studying, working, cooking. I love all genres of music from pop to rock to jazz. It was about few years later when I attended the concert of King and I did not enjoy it a bit because of the following reasons. First, the King himself did not show up. I was a still big fan of him and I did not enjoy it a bit, so it was a great disappointment. And the greatest singers of the world would have come to the stage and I would have still disappointed. So I was very disheartened. Second, the backup singers were like immatures. They did not join the crowd at all, and they were like amateurs, and their performance was too dull and monotonous. The music was too loud and even hurting ears. And in the end, I would like to state that if in future I would got an opportunity to attend this concert of Kings again, I would definitely attend it because I was a still big fan of him, and I am also still big fan of him.
Okay, fine. Now this is end of the part 2 and I'm going to ask follow-up questions and all the follow-up questions will be based on the cue card. Why do so many young people spend a lot of money on concerts?
Well, it basically depends upon experience, and hearing a concert from a screen can never match the feeling of hearing them from live.
Do you think older people like the same music as young people like?
Well, according to my perspective, no, because young people like fast music. They do not pay attention to the lyrics, whereas old people like slow and soft music. They pay more attention to the lyrics as compared to them.
Okay, do you think music concerts are suitable for all people to attend?
Of course, no, because they can't stand for longer hours. But nowadays, some concerts offer chair for them, so they can sit and enjoy like youngsters.
Okay. Why do shopping malls often have background music?
Well, shopping malls also have background music to enhance the experience of shopping. We can remember this shopping area not through by the site but also through the background music playing at time.
Why you think so?
It enhances the experience of shopping, and listening to the music we can remember the site.
Okay. Okay, fine. This is end of the test. Thank you so much, Gungun. Hi everyone. Now this is time to give the feedback for Gungun's interview. So Gungun, today I am giving you 6 band score. Even though previously she appeared in the mock test with me here at the same platform, at that time she secured 6.5 band score. But surprisingly today, rather than increasing the band score, her band score has been declined. It may be the fear of test, or it may be lack of practice, or she is not dedicated these days. So the answer could be, the reason could be anything out of them or any other reason. So it may happen to you also. When you appear in the mock test with your trainers, you may get good band score, but in the final examination your band score may reduce or your band score may increase. It is depending upon that how you prepare and how you are confident during the day of examination. So here I am telling the mistakes what she had done today. First of all, in the part 1, she gave me very short answers. So as you guys always write a query that about the length, and in almost every video I disclose this. For part 1, 30 to 40 seconds, for part 2 at least for 2 minutes. Between 1 and 2 minutes are required, but you have to speak 2 minutes, or if you stop somewhere then examiner may ask you to speak more by body language, by using gesture. Okay, but at that time you have to speak in the final examination at least for 2 minutes. Then the follow-up length is between 4 to 5 sentences, or 40 to 50 seconds you have to speak at least. So this is a mistake she had done in the part 1. She did not elaborate well the answers. Moreover, she was quite nervous today while answering. Above all, in the part 1, she did not use starters like honestly speaking, truly speaking, I would like to say, or as far as I know. And above all, she never presented a single answer with the contradiction expression like however, on the other hand. So these are things to be used. Moreover, connectors she missed. So in coherence wise and in lexical resource, she is not prepared well according to me today. Now coming to the cue card, quite amazing. Previously, when she appeared in the interview in the mock test, then she gave very good answer at that time for the cue card, but this time she wasn't able to perform well even in the cue card. First of all, the length of the cue card was quite short. And secondly, she started cue card, but she did not create a good introduction around the cue card. And above all, there were four prompts: what the event was, where you were, what the music was like, and explain why you did not like the music. So she just elaborated every prompt in a single sentence or adding one more sentence. So this is really required if you want to cover your time limit. Then at least on every prompt speak 30 second or 3 to 4 lines so that you could be able to cover time. Above all, she did not use vocabulary here too, and she was doing grammatical errors also. So overall, the performance of QCard was not good enough. Coming to the follow-ups part, somehow she was able to manage the answers of the follow-ups, but again the length was a problem, and criteria was a problem in entire speaking, as the criteria refers fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy, and pronunciation. So today she did not take care of the criteria. And if you guys are planning to take examination, so this is my advice: just check the criteria first and work accordingly. Don't be misunderstood that examiner will listen you, and if you are speaking well, then they will give you good band score. Your band score will be counted on each and every criteria separately. For lexical resource, 2.25 band score. For fluency and coherence, 2.25 band score. For grammatical range and accuracy, same 2.25. And for pronunciation also 2.25. So total of all is 9 band score, and for every category you will be given band score out of 2.25 band. If you are not knowing, just check it and find that where you are lacking, and then work upon that criteria, and then appear in the final examination. Thank you so much. Hope this will be helpful.